can burn down all that we are or turn around. This is the start of my immortal perfection.